Hello my awesome viewers, it's Uday from Uday's Kitchen here to give you the most delicious recipes. Our menu today we have a liver recipe, okay, and this is called Rice in the Gambia, and it's normally a street food recipe, but we turned it homemade, okay, a better version, a more delicious version. It is a dish that is very easy to cook, it is delicious, it is really worthy of your try. Okay, so at the moment, if you like what you're seeing, please give us a thumbs up, give us those likes, as it will help grow the channel, help to share the link as well to all your friends and family, and it will really be appreciated. Okay, so before we waste any more time, let's get into it. On our ingredient list we have liver, of course. Onto that I have here some garlic cloves, 3 garlic cloves chopped, some black pepper, about a teaspoon or less than a teaspoon, some seasoning and salt. You can use only salt as well if you don't like seasoning. So I add that to my liver, drizzle in some vinegar, and a little bit of mustard. Just a little bit of mustard. Mix that all together, let it marinate for about 15-20 minutes. For the rest of my ingredients, I have here some onions. This is like 4 medium-sized onions. I like this dish with a lot of onions, so you can minimize the onions based on your taste as well. And we have habanero peppers, 1 slice habanero pepper, and 2 medium-sized green bell peppers. We also have some oil to fry it in. Pot is set, so I add in some oil, a little bit of oil. Oil is hot, so I fry in the liver. So we're going to fry this until it is tender. All right, if need be, we'll add water in between if the liver is not cooked. So this is cow liver. It takes a longer time to cook than lamb and chicken. So the water has evaporated and the liver is not yet cooked, so I drop in 1 cup of water, a small cup. I'm going to let this evaporate, okay, and then we'll add in our onion. All the water has evaporated now and the liver is cooked, so I add in my onion and the bell peppers and the tomato. Mix that all together and let it cook. So now we can check to see whatever is missing, black pepper, seasoning, salt, and whatever is missing we can add. But if the marinade is well seasoned, we will not need to add all that. But at this stage, check to see whatever is missing and add it, and let this fry and simmer down. So it's almost done. I dropped in a little bit of water to release all the juices that stay at the bottom. Just 1 drop, and allow that to evaporate, and we are done. Have it. That's our final product. You can have this with salad, you can have it with bread, you can have it with spaghetti, you can have it with whatever you want, even rice. Okay, so here for us we're having it with bread as a sandwich. Okay, you can add in some cucumbers and tomatoes and lettuce as well in the salad, in the sandwich if you like. So bon appetit. Thank you all for your everlasting support. Please do like, share, and subscribe if you're new to my channel to not miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Until we meet next time, bye bye.